Do you want to learn to code? Do you want to learn how to trade stocks, options, and cryptocurrencies? And do you want to learn how machine learning works? Well, this Kickstarter is for you. Hi, my name is John Burra, and I run an e-learning company called Mammoth Interactive. We've sold almost 1 million courses worldwide. And this Kickstarter is a huge bundle of courses that's going to help you be so successful in 2021. So one of the things that we do at Mammoth Interactive is that we figure out how people are being successful, and we are showing them how to do that through practical projects. One of the bread and butter things about our tutorials is that we don't give you a standard theory-based tutorial. We show you how to build absolute practical projects. So if you want to get a job, you can use these projects on your LinkedIn, or if you want to start a business, these are the best projects to help you do that. So what are you going to learn in this Kickstarter? We are going to show you how to trade stocks, day trade stocks, trade cryptocurrencies, and options. But not only that, we're going to show you and complete beginners how to code from scratch. And eventually, through a ton of practical projects, we're going to show you how to build machine learning models from scratch. And the amazing thing about this bundle of courses is that we're going to show you how to build machine learning models as it relates to trading stocks and trading cryptocurrencies. So if you want to learn how to automatically, algorithmically trade stocks and cryptocurrencies, this bundle of Kickstarters is for you. We're going to show you how to do exactly that. We're going to show you how to use technical analysis to make stock predictions and fundamental analysis as well. We're also going to show you how to make Twitter sentiment analysis to help your models. So let's take a look at an easy, quick win example project from this Kickstarter. So in this example project, we're going to be taking tweets from Elon Musk and buying the appropriate cryptocurrency. Elon Musk tweets about Dogecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and practically any other coin. So once Elon Musk tweets about it, the price of these cryptocurrencies go up. So we're going to show you how to make a very simple script that reads Elon Musk's tweet and buys the appropriate cryptocurrency, so that way you can capitalize on the gains. So there's a ton of amazing practical projects that you're going to learn from scratch in this Kickstarter. So if you want to be successful in 2021, you have to have the appropriate skill set, and this Kickstarter has all the appropriate skill sets for you to become as successful as possible. It shows you how to code, how to trade options, cryptocurrencies, day trade, and trade stocks, and it shows you machine learning. These are all the most profitable skills that you can add to your repertoire in 2021. So we need your help to make this amazing Kickstarter a reality, so you can pledge below. In addition to this bundle of courses, we're going to be adding in a ton of our previous Kickstarters in the rewards down below. And the more money you pledge, the more courses you can get on sale today. So if you're part of an education institution, we have institutional pricing down below. It really does help us out when you reach out to institutions on our behalf and pledge below. So thanks for listening, and please remember to pledge down below.